Hey guys, so welcome back. I know I've been gone for a little while now. Reason being is, if you can tell, I've been really sick. So today I'm just going to do a foundation routine with the Beauty Blender. So it'll be a Beauty Blender demo. I have used it before, but just want to show you guys my thoughts. I absolutely love it. So I just have my eyes done. That's about it. And like moisturizes my skin. My skin isn't the greatest right now. I've just been sick and stuff, so I apologize for my absence from YouTube, but I will be making more videos more regularly now. My Beauty Blender, and it's just a little bit dirty. It is damp, and I'm using Makeup Forever HD. Give that a shake. Thought I'd wear a red shirt to be festive. Sit in front of the tree. So if you're wondering if I'm looking right there, just because I have a little mirror, just so I can see what I'm doing here. I could see, like, sort of. Give that a shake. I'm just going to put that on about one and a little bit more. This is a shade 117. So it might look yellowy, might look light, but it's actually an excellent match. It's actually an excellent match for my skin, so I really like it. So you take your damp Beauty Blender, and I just get a little bit, swirl it around, and then just start patting, bouncing it on. I haven't done any of my under eye stuff yet, so I'm just going to do this. I really like to pat that in really well. I find that if you really try and work it in, it gives an awesome coverage. You can use this Beauty Blender with like any foundation as well that's liquid. And it must be damp to work properly. And I find that it works, and it just gets the foundation in every little corner and crack and stuff, and my voice sounds horrible. Okay. I got this Beauty Blender at IMATS in Toronto back in November, and I got it with the cleanser just so I would know like what to properly clean it with. Because otherwise I wouldn't really know what's like good for it. Really get up to your hairline too, so it like blends in. Get right along your hairline there. My hair's still a little bit wet from my shower, but it's okay. So I need a little bit more. Give it another shake. I'm actually just going to put this right on the Beauty Blender. Just a little bit. So then you could take the tip and just kind of like press in under your eyes gently. Question, guys, what eye cream do you guys all use? I use Origin's Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream, I think it's called, and I really like it. I know there's the Kiehl's, it's like an avocado one, I've heard it's really good. I know Miss Glamorazzi uses it, but what other ones do you guys use? Let me know in the comments down below. So just make sure that's patted in, get under your jawline too, so you know it's all blended in. Okay, and I think that's about it. Yeah, so you just pat that in. And I find that this like makes my foundation last like really long too. So, and the Makeup Forever HD foundation is really good anyways, so. So let me guys know what you think of the Beauty Blender. I like it actually better than brushes, so I use it more than my brushes now, I find. I know my voice sounds horrible, sorry about that, but yeah, so it's just a quick foundation demo with the Beauty Blender, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, and I'll leave like all my links and stuff down below. You guys can go check those out, my beauty blog, Instagram, Twitter, email and everything. You guys can go check all that out. So, I will see you in my next video. Bye.